In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate and use Asana integration with HubSpot. If you're looking to keep your sales, marketing, and project teams aligned, connecting HubSpot with Asana is a great way to turn deals and tickets into actionable tasks without losing context. I'll walk you through installing the Asana app from inside HubSpot and share what to expect during setup so you can hit the ground running. Start in your HubSpot portal. Look toward the top of the screen for the settings gear icon and click it. This takes you to your account's configuration area. A quick tip before we go further: you'll need the right permissions to add apps. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, ask your HubSpot admin for app marketplace access or installation rights. In the left sidebar, open the integration section. This is where all your external connections live. From there, go to connected apps. You'll see anything your portal already uses, and this is also where you'll manage Asana after the install is complete. Next, select Add More Connections. This opens the HubSpot app marketplace. At the top, use the search bar and type Asana. Spelling matters here, so double check you've entered it correctly. You should see the Asana integration appear in the results. Click the Asana listing to open its details page. This page outlines what the integration can do, common use cases, and permission scopes. It's worth taking a moment to review the overview and compatibility notes so you know how tasks and records will sync between the two systems. You can also scan for setup guides or FAQs directly on this page. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will guide you through a brief process to confirm the account you're connecting. You may be prompted to sign into Asana, choose the correct workspace or team, and grant permissions so the two platforms can share data securely. Make sure you're selecting the workspace your team actually uses, and confirm you have admin rights in Asana if required. After installation, return to Connected Apps to verify that Asana is listed and connected. From there, you can access settings, review what's syncing, and locate links to documentation for configuring your preferred workflows. In many portals, you'll start seeing Asana options on relevant records once the connection is active. If something doesn't appear, try refreshing your browser, disable any pop-up blockers during authorization, and confirm you're logged into the correct HubSpot and Asana accounts. If install is grayed out or you can't access the marketplace, your admin can adjust permissions. That's it. Your HubSpot and Asana accounts are now connected, paving the way for smoother, more visible teamwork across your pipeline and projects.